Hi, I'm Chris Filiatraut, and I'm a trial lawyer over at the law offices of Michael Morse. I've been an attorney for 24 years, and I was hired in at the Mike Morse Law firm in 2010. My job here at the Mike Morse Law firm is to essentially review and go through every case here at the firm, really from a trial stance. So I look at every trial lawyer's caseload here to make sure that we're maximizing value on all of those cases from the trial viewpoint. And so really being a trial lawyer it's a lot of long days and it's a lot of late nights, but dealing with the clients is really fantastic at the end of the day. And what we've found is that being aggressive trial lawyers really maximizes their recovery and gets them the justice that they need. My hobbies and recreation stuff really revolves around my wife and kids. My family is really the people I spend the most time with. But hobbies-wise, my kids are middle school age, so I do a lot of coaching for a lot of sports teams. And when I get time, if I get enough time, I like to spend that time outdoors, fishing, camping, doing that sort of stuff. We find family has a lot of fun doing that sort of thing. I grew up here in Michigan, so I'm a Michigan native, and I attended high school in Dearborn and college and law school in Detroit. So I'm a Metro Detroit guy and always have been. The state of Michigan is fantastic for the four seasons, and the people in Michigan are just the best. Detroit I personally love, and I've always got a soft spot in my heart for Detroit because I'm a big sports fan, so my wife and I, we love to take the kids down to, whether it be a Lions game, a Piston game, head down to see Hitsville, USA, or the DIA. Detroit really has a ton to offer, and we enjoy it as literally on a weekly and monthly basis. Clients should hopefully know that I'm going to give them the best advice that I can, and I'm going to treat them like a family member. It is always scary walking through the legal process with whatever issues that they have, especially because they don't know and they're trusting you to give them the best advice that you can. So what I like to do, and I tell this to really all my clients, is I will give them as much knowledge as I possibly can. And then it's up to them to make the decision because it's their case. I want to empower them for them to know that at the end of the day, they feel comfortable with their decision and they're not just relying on a lawyer to make decisions for them because they're vested in this case, which is oftentimes the most important thing in their life. So for me, I always want clients to know that I will always have their best interest in heart and I will treat them like I would a family member.